Isn't she lovely? Isn't she? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Savage from Life on the Savage Farm. Today in this video, you guys, we are going to clean under my kitchen sink. It is long overdue. It is cluttered, dirty, and I think everything is sitting on top of each other. It is bad underneath there. So I have received everything from Grove Collaborative, all my new cleaning products. I'm excited to put those in there. And we have received all my little organization stuff from Amazon. So we'll be sticking that in there too to make it all nice and organized and pretty for y'all. And the only way I could explain the look under my kitchen sink is, let's see, have y'all seen the movie Ice Age? You have Sid the Sloth, Diego the saber-toothed tiger. Remember them trying to soothe the crying baby in the first one? And Diego goes, "Where's the baby? There he is." And the baby's like, that's under my kitchen sink, y'all. You open it up and you're like, holy mother of God. So if you're new and you're just now coming to my channel, I want to welcome you and thank you for joining us. We're so glad to have you, and I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you a lot of motivation and inspiration. For my existing subscribers, thank you so much for all that you do and for all the love, the likes, the comments, and for you always coming back and making me smile and making me happy, and I hope I do that for y'all. So remember, you guys, our new goal that we're trying to reach is 400 subscribers. As soon as we reach 400 subscribers, I will have that giveaway for that $40 Starbucks gift card. Oh yeah, who doesn't want all that coffee? I know I would. Coffee's medicine, man. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, because as always, you know it will really help out my channel. And if y'all are ready to tackle this mess with me, let's get started. I told y'all it wasn't pretty. It was like the baby off of Ice Age. Or better yet, off of the movie Crudes, where the little guy goes, "Dun, dun, dun." Or better yet, off of the movie Trolls. The burgers are coming! Ah! Look at this mess. Can y'all tell I've been busy? Literally, this stuff is on top of each other. I just didn't have the time till this week. So moms, if your under the sink looks like this, don't worry, you are not alone, and we can clean this mess up together. It's funny how you don't realize how much you have until you start cleaning. Real quick, are y'all moms like me where you get a pack of new sponges, you're excited because you can't wait to switch them out and clean your dishes with them? Or when you order a new box from Grove Collaborative with all your new cleaners and you can't wait for your kitchen to smell like a morning breeze? Or better yet, when your husband comes home and he surprises you with this? Y'all, it's the Dyson. I finally have it. Oh, praise Jesus. Game changer. I've never felt so powerful. I felt, oh my gosh, the first movie that came to mind when he was handing this to me, Scarface, y'all. When he knew he was gonna die, but he had his gun and he was ready. He was ready to take them all on. Well, I'm ready to take on all the dirt, just like Al Pacino.
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh yeah, powerful.
Are you really happy alone? But you say nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. I know that you have your reasons. I know I was standing here, darling, I know. But before you go, I just wanna hold you one last time.
If y'all are wondering about this 2-tier rack, it was actually given to me by a real good friend of mine. If you wanted this, Amazon does sell it. I'll be sure to leave a link in my description box below.
'Cause I just wanna hold you one last time. Hold you like we're fine.
Okay, now we're using these Lysol wipes to disinfect and sanitize this area below. And you guys, look how dirty the bottom is. Had to use numerous wipes to get a good clean. I noticed though that some of the spots were stained into the board and they weren't gonna come up, or it wasn't coming up. Well, at least I know it was still getting a good clean.
One last time. Hold me like you'll mind, though it's over, almost over. For a second, let's forget and pretend. 'Cause I just wanna hold you one last time. Hold you like we're fine, though it's over, almost over. Yeah, the final chapter's starting to end.
Alright, now that we've let the area dry from the Lysol wipes, we're going to go over it with this 7th generation all-purpose cleaner to get an even better clean and for it to smell so good down here. This product I would highly recommend. It's plant-based, no chemicals, no harsh fumes. You can get this from Grove Collaborative. I love this stuff, so I'll leave a link down below, and be sure to use my link for your first purchase order. You'll receive a free 5-piece gift set.
All right, we've sanitized it, we've cleaned it. I tried to get these out, but it seems like they're embedded into the plastic. So the only way to get rid of that is to get that mat from Amazon, that nice little black mat that covers over this, and then it will protect it from any other spills. So that will be in the near future, but clean, sanitize, then we'll work on this. Oh yeah. So we're keeping all the 7th generation products, all the products from Grove Collaborative, little things here and there, but we're gonna declutter and donate what I don't want and work on the organization. So, all right.
Alright, let me explain why I have so many sponges. I used to coupon. It was so much fun, saved a lot of money, but had to give it up. I had done it for about 15 years? Yeah. But it was time to accomplish another task, as this would take up my whole time and not have any time for anything else. So this is when I started to think about doing the farm life and then taking this journey on with YouTube. It's all done, you guys, and it looks so much better. Look at it. Thank you guys so much for watching, because your love and support means everything to me. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and give this video a thumbs up before you leave, because as always, it will really help out my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Life on the Savage Farm, because I would love to connect with you guys over there as well. Oh yeah, I'll leave a link for these awesome organization bins here. Again, thank you for being here. So I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video. Bye!
Afuera esa gente que siempre tiene esa manía. Somos Somos las leyendas vivas. Somos las leyendas vivas.